Yo, on a dance class you go. Because if a dance class you go, you use your foot. No, your mouth you use. Everything we say you have an answer for you.
So you expect me to shut my mouth and I say nothing?
Hey girl. You see from what you get too bright. Want to feel like it big off the face. You know that? As a matter of fact, see the dance class up here, it's done.
No, Reds, please.
I said no more class in here, so. I said go look at work and bring some money in here. Or go somewhere else. Because I know you don't have nowhere to go.
Reds, I can't do this. You know dancing is the only thing I love. It really gives me peace of mind.
Peace of mind? If me not no peace of mind in here, you not have none either. If you left out of this and go dance class, you go see.
Me, I could go dance class and you can't stop that.
Hold on. What she just do? Hey, girl.
Well, one thing for sure. 5 is back.
Should you go somewhere?
5. Oh, you smell the stew peas.
With my nose. Why is the smell with?
But the food lock up in the microwave.
So? And you think that I can stop my nose? I want to even understand the powers of my nose. I'm not afraid with me so long. I'm still not get it. My nose have a superpower.
Alright, miss.
So what you really say now, go with Goody and Carlton?
5? That's a one long story.
Well, me have all day. Edit it. Edit.
Alright. What am I gonna start now? You say anything what I tell you is between me and you.
So me have other friends to tell
5,
you
your
the
mouth
business?
light. Anyway, Carlton brother, set him up.
What?
I him send him go to prison. Well, so-called prison.
You sure about that?
You know, so we have that conversation here already. And you know me. I not talk it unless I have proof. You know, so from what day you have one little suspicious something about you.
Me? What me suspicious about? Me not suspicious about now. Me don't know what you talk about.
You have something where you want to tell me?
No? Alright.